Take a deep breath in and gently let it go. With every inhale, invite calmness into your body. With every exhale, release what no longer serves you. Yoga is more than movement. It's a quiet conversation between your mind, body, and soul. Allow your thoughts to soften, your heart to feel lighter, your spirit to feel free. Mental health begins with simple moments of presence. When you slow down, you heal. When you listen inward, you grow. Today, give yourself permission to rest, to breathe, and to be. Because peace begins within you. Join MyTreya, empowering individuals and organizations with mindfulness, yoga, and mental health solutions. A calmer, stronger you begins here.